Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we're doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be breaking down some beginner crafts to help you beautify your space. This is a priority for me, and I know it's a priority for a lot of you because of the panty. We're spending so much more time at home. So today's video is sponsored by Cricut. Shout out to you, Cricut. You know what? Their products are so much fun. It's become therapy. And also, the people who work at Cricut are also awesome. All right, so let's dive into it. Again, super easy, very beginner. If I can do it, you can do it. And hopefully this inspires you to sit down and take some time for yourself to create something that you love and beautify your space. Okay, so what I love is there's hardly any materials needed to make these gorgeous branded candles. This is my beautiful logo. So I've got the Cricut, I've got some candles, and I have a really beautiful bronze coppery foil paper. So you're gonna start by opening up your Cricut Design Space and hitting New Project. Once you do that, you can upload your custom image, and I like to use the simple image to do this because it makes cutting a lot easier. So once you have that uploaded, you see those blue and white checkered spaces. Those are the spaces that are going to be cut out. So whatever you want removed from the design, that's where you click, and then you can size it on the Design Space and send it over to Cricut to cut. It's so easy. So here I'm just cutting my foil, getting it lined up and put on my mat so the Cricut can do the rest of the work. So I make sure it's set to my right setting, and Cricut goes right on ahead and cuts it out. Now what's funny is originally I started with the design you saw. I wanted a circle image and a cutout of my actual logo, but I didn't measure properly and the circle was way too big for the candle. So I ended up using what I was supposed to leave out, which actually ended up being really beautiful. So this is just my logo. So now I'm cutting some transfer tape, and I'm going to stick it on top of my logo. And you wanna make sure that you use the spatula and it's really on there good, because that's gonna make sure that your logo is actually picked up on the transfer tape, which is very important. Slight learning curve there, but easy enough. And then it's as easy as just sticking it on your clean surface. This is my candle, and I'm going to stick it on and use the spatula again to make sure it's nice and sealed and adhered, and then peel off the tape, you guys. So this is like for my office. I'm also going to be gifting these to my personal clients. I love it. It's just so beautiful. It adds a really fancy touch and it feels really good because, again, it's my personal logo. So I was doing this after the kids went to bed, and again, I have to tell you guys how therapeutic it is. You get into a rhythm and you're like, it's so much fun. It really is. So here are my beautiful candles, love them. Next up, I created a school supplies canvas bag for Kai. That way he can keep all of his school gear in one spot. I'm searching all over the house for it. Organization equals beauty to me. So again, new project. I just used a basic font, typed in school supplies, sized it. Now the most important thing you need to do is hit the mirror button, because this is going to be an iron-on. And the second most important thing you do is shiny side down. When you place the piece of vinyl on your mat, you want shiny side down. Turn it on the Cricut and you are good to go. I'm cutting out the letters so it's just like more accurate. When I peel it off, it's easy for me to grab the excess and literally strip away the excess vinyl, and you're left with your words. You can use your little tool to scoop out the O's and the E's, and look at that, easy peasy. So now I have my Cricut Press, and what's beautiful about this is you literally turn it on, set the temperature, and then have a timer for roughly 15 seconds, and then you hit the Cricut button and it does the rest. It beeps at you when the timer's done, and that's how long you should be ironing on each section of your vinyl so it sticks. I actually had to do it a couple of times, so you have to play with this. I feel like it's not an exact science, it's more of an art. But what I would recommend and what I learned is to be very, very slow in peeling away the plastic piece from the vinyl to make sure your letters don't lift. So I'm really just kind of finessing it and making sure that the letters stay down as I slowly peel back that plastic piece. So super easy. I'm lining it up the way I want it. I've got my Cricut Press, a few more seconds on, I let it cool, and then again, slowly peel back that plastic piece and finesse those letters down so that they stay in place. And that's it, you guys. Then you have a beautiful canvas tote, custom, organization equals beauty. These are my 2 really fun projects that I did while the kiddos were sleeping. So that's it, you guys. It's really that simple. It's really that easy. Again, if I can do it, you can do it. But the most important thing is find something for yourself. It's therapy that feels good, that beautifies your space, because self-care is so, so, so important. So just wanted to share this with you as a form in which you can get a little bit of self-care. Hope you guys are doing well, and I will catch you in the very next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.